To delete stickers on your iPhone, start by opening the Messages app and going into a conversation where you've used stickers before. Tap on the text input field as if you're about to type a message, then tap the sticker icon next to it. This will show the stickers you've used recently. Find the sticker you want to remove, tap and hold on it, and a menu will pop up. From that menu, select Remove to delete the sticker from your collection. If you want to remove more stickers, repeat this process for each one. If stickers are in a specific pack, tap on the pack's name at the top of the screen, and you can swipe to remove individual stickers within the pack. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.